Ever since I got this Denon DR-M24HX, I did notice that it's running a touch slow compared to my other decks. And now that I've got a bit of time and a proper cassette, speed adjusting cassette for it, I wanted to adjust the speed on it. Unfortunately, all these screwdrivers are a bit too long to fit into in between the gap in the transformer there. So I've got to find the proper screwdriver to do this with. When you do speed adjustment, bear in mind that the unit will be live and don't touch anything. This is the hole on the motor for the speed adjustment. And I'll be using this speed calibration test tape from Analog Media Technologies. Now that I've found the correct length flathead screwdriver that I can use, I'm ready to go. Clockwise you speed it up and anti-clockwise you slow it down. You need a frequency counter or an app on your phone to do this. And using the frequency counter app, you adjust the speed as closely as you can to the 3150 kilohertz that is recorded on the cassette tape. Okay, now that I've got the speed set on it, I might as well take the door off and demagnetize the unit as well. From what I know is you bring it in slowly and it doesn't make any noise. I've checked if it works on a screwdriver and I can feel it vibrating when it's close to the metallic parts in there. You can feel it vibrating in your hands. The heads, the capstans. The adjusting screws there. Now that you're done, you slowly move it away. And then you turn off the unit when you're really far away from the thing. In this case, you have to unplug it. And now for a quick test before I put it into the stack, make sure everything works fine. Thanks for watching and see you in the next or the previous video.